Yep, what a mess. I tell you what, all that wood, you talk about a pain in the butt to get that wood out. I mean, I've been working on this thing for a couple of hours and I still ain't got it out yet. It's got all these little bitty brads. I mean it was like, every 3 or 4 inches they got them in there all the way around everything. And the only screws, you can get these, all the screws are stainless, that's pretty cool. But the only screws you can get out is the ones that screwed into the wood. If it's screwed into metal with a nut on it and they ain't coming out, you gotta cut it off. But I ain't near about done with the wood yet. I mean, I've been beating on it and pulling all them brads out and cutting bolts off with the cut off wheel and beating on it and hammering on it and prying on it with a screwdriver. So far, by far, that's the hardest part, is getting that wood out. So I ain't done yet. But that's what we're doing. I don't know if you can see all them little bitty holes. Every one of them, every 1.5 inches. They got the little brads up in that wood. All right, let me get back to work. Yeah, I cut Red loose on it. He got her done. He made a mess. I bet you he ain't gonna clean the mess up. Probably ain't gonna clean the mess up. That's top windshield, that's upper windshield frame. It ain't got a lot, it's got some rust on the bottom of the cowl right there at the bottom on that side. It ain't too bad. I got plenty of sheet metal, I can fix that. Back section. We got just a little bit of rust on the bottom of it. I mean, it ain't bad. I probably won't have to do nothing to that. It's pretty solid. Pretty solid. It's a pain in the butt, but yeah. Looks like we just stuck a bomb up in there and let it off. That's about what it looks like. But we got it done. All right, now I gotta get the frame tore down. Gotta get it down to the frame. I want the frame, the rest of it's gonna be up for sale. You ain't see anything on here you want. Gonna be for sale cheap. What we're gonna do now, Red? Let me fire up this here blue wrench. I'll show you what we're gonna do. Give me a light. Okay, the chassis is toast. I could patch it up, weld some plates over it. But I ain't gonna do that. I'm just gonna order me 2. But I'm gonna go buy 2 pieces of 2x3 frame material, 2x3 rectangle tubing, and build a new frame. So I had Red take the blue wrench, cut this front axle out, and I took the steering column out, steering box. I'm gonna try to use that in the rat rod. We're gonna see how that works. But the rest of it, I don't need none of it. So I guess I paid too much for the car, $1,000, and the only thing I get is the axle and the body and the steering box, steering column. I can't use none of the rest of it. Ain't got no use whatsoever. I'm gonna put it for sale on Facebook, see if anybody need any parts, sell it for dirt cheap. You guys see anybody needs any 31 Chevy parts. I got all this for sale, cheap. All right, appreciate you.